Okay, here's a fairly simple geometry question. The maths is quite simple. It's just a question of absorbing all the information. So it says a hall has length 15 meters and width 10 meters. So it's 10 by 15, the whole hall. But the stage is a semicircle with diameter 6 meters. So there's the stage in grey, and the diameter is 6 meters, and therefore the radius is half of that, 3 meters. Okay, and then the maximum number of people allowed is calculated using a formula. Work out the maximum number of people allowed. The first thing we need to do is work out the standing area of the hall. So the standing area of the hall is the rectangle that they can stand in, but then minus the stage, the semicircle, that they can't stand in. So the area of the standing area I've put is 10 times 15. 10 times 15, that's the rectangle, but minus the area of the stage. So that's a half times pi r squared, essentially. The area of a circle is pi r squared. Pi times 3 squared here because the radius is 3. But then times a half because it's only half of the stage. So the area of the standing area is rectangle minus half of a circle. And then you work that out, and it's 150 for the rectangle minus 14.137 for the half of a circle, which is 135 point something. And then it says the maximum number of people allowed at the concert is worked out from the standing area in meters squared. And I've just realized I put meters cubed there. That's an error. That should be meters squared divided by 0.3. Okay, so 135 divided by 0.3. Now, whatever that answer is, we're going to have to round it down because you never want to be over the limit, even if it's by 0.1 of a person over the limit. And when you work that out, it's 452.9 people. See, so according to the formula, you're allowed 452.9 people in there. But of course, if you have 453 in there, then you're over the limit and you're breaking the regulations. So you have to round that down. So the number of people you're allowed is 452.